In this video, I will show you how to add data manually in Apple Health. First, open the Apple Health app on your iPhone. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Browse. From here, you will see all the different health categories available. Let's start by tapping on Body Measurements. Choose the metric you want to update. For example, basal body temperature. Tap on Add Data, enter your information, and then hit Add at the top right. Once you're done, go back and you can repeat the same process with other categories like activity, nutrition, or anything else you want to track. Every time you add new data, it will automatically be saved and show up in your health records. And that's how to add data manually in Apple Health.